Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolove. Now as you can see, we are in a different environment today. I wanted to shoot a little bit more casual and not too formal. So yes, it's a casual setup and I hope you like it. If you do like it, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. But anyway, today we are going to talk about MIUI 13. So yes, MIUI 13 is out there and I have installed it on my Mi 11X over here. Now obviously this is the Chinese ROM. It's not the Indian ROM, neither is it the global ROM. It is the Chinese ROM. I've installed it to check out the new features. There are a few new features and this ROM is highly inspired. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's dive into MIUI 13 and let me tell you about the inspiration. Now right off the bat, let's talk about the customization features. There are some new customization features. For example, there are new wallpapers which look absolutely stunning in my opinion. These wallpapers are amazing. You also get new super wallpapers and these wallpapers are also really good and work really well on the Mi 11X. So yeah, it's good to see that Xiaomi is sticking with super wallpapers and you can take the full advantage of them. They're dynamic in nature and work really well. Also this time around, when you go to the settings page and wallpaper and personalization, you will find a lot of options over here. First up, you can see the wallpaper that is currently set on your smartphone. You can change the wallpaper from there. You can also change the icons from here. If you want to change the icon type, you can do that right from here. And you can also change the system font. There are a lot of fonts available and this time around there is a new font called as Mi-san and you can change its size, its weight and everything from this tab itself. Apart from that, you also get a lot of other customization options like your ringtones, your themes. Basically, you can customize your entire phone from this one tab. Now, one thing that is missing over here is Material You. Basically, the color theming engine that you get with Android 12 is missing over here and I hope that Xiaomi adds that in the future updates. If that comes, then MIUI 13 customization will be the best out there. Now, when I was recording MIUI 13's video, I forgot to show these two features. That's why I showed the screen recording. But now let's dive into the other features of MIUI 13. Alright, this is it. This is MIUI 13 running on my Mi 11X. Now obviously this is the Chinese version, not the Indian version, because the Indian version has not been launched yet. So I installed the Chinese version and first up let's go into the settings and check the Android version. And as you can see, it is running on Android 12. So that is a good thing that is running on Android 12. Now let me quickly check the Easter egg over here. And here we go. This is Android 12 on MIUI 13. So that's a good thing that whenever you get MIUI 13, it will be Android 12. Now MIUI is highly inspired by a particular OS out there. And it does not take a rocket scientist to figure out which OS is that. Yes, I'm talking about iOS. It's highly inspired from iOS. And there's a thin line between inspiration and copying. First up, you can see that the widgets over here are new and they're exactly like iOS. So if you want to add new widgets, you can go to the widgets panel over here, select any widget, and even the widget selector is exactly like iOS. Like, it's crazy how much they copy Apple. They're like the biggest fanboys of Apple out there and they're giving you iOS on Android. That is like, you know, a very big thing. Some people might like it, some people might not like it. Personally, I don't mind the widgets because they actually look amazing and they're useful as well. But as you can see on my home screen, I have a couple of widgets. I have the clock widget over here and the weather widget. And on this side, I have the notes widget. So widgets are amazing and they look really good on MIUI 13 over here. So yeah, this is one of the major UI changes this time around. And you guys let me know, what do you think about it? Do you think it's too much or you don't mind it? Now if I swipe right over here, you can see that even this part is kind of copied from Apple. You do get widgets over here as well. So the dashboard or the shelf, whatever you want to call it, is also copied from iOS. And yeah, this is kind of weird. Now one weird thing with this ROM is that the camera is not working. So if I go to the camera and click a photo, it will just straight away crash. Like the camera keeps crashing, it keeps happening and I cannot click any photos. So yeah, that is kind of a con with beta versions. That's why if you're installing beta versions on your smartphone, please be careful about that. Now Xiaomi has also ensured that MIUI 13 is better optimized as compared to MIUI 12.5. They've made a lot of optimizations and I can clearly see that in the Chinese variant. Like the battery life has been amazing on this variant and also the performance has also been amazing. Now this generally happens that the Chinese ROM is better than the Indian ROM. That is always the case, so might just be that, but I'm hoping that the Indian variant will also have better optimization this time around. That is very important and Xiaomi India should focus on that, like better optimization, please. That's the main thing after all. But all in all, there are no major features in MIUI 13. It's just a newer look, like not that much, just a slightly newer look with better optimization. I feel that software has reached a point where year on year you will get better optimization and a few features here and there, nothing more than that. So yeah, that was MIUI 13 for you for smartphones. Xiaomi also launched MIUI 13 for tablets, and that is very impressive. Again, it is highly inspired from iPadOS, but it's very impressive to see that Xiaomi is doing such a good job with tablets. I hope that Xiaomi India launches tablets over here because a lot of people do require them, especially in this scenario where everyone is studying and working from home. So I'm hoping that Xiaomi will launch tablets soon enough because MIUI 13 for tablet looks amazing, like MIUI 13 for pad. Also with MIUI 13, especially in China, Xiaomi has done a good job with integrating everything together. They're trying to imitate the ecosystem that Apple provides, and they are doing a good job at it. So especially in China where they have a lot of products, MIUI works very well across those products. I don't know if that is going to come to India, but it's good to see that Xiaomi is working on that. Now, if you want to install MIUI 13 Chinese ROM on your Mi 11X, you will require an unlocked bootloader and TWRP recovery installed. After that, you can flash this ROM, and I will make sure to drop a link to the ROM file in the description box below, so you can check it out. Also, if you don't know how to unlock the bootloader and install TWRP recovery, I've got you covered. I have an article on my website. I'll drop a link to that as well in the description box below. Alright, I'm going to say MIUI 13 is good, but I was slightly disappointed because there are not a lot of new features out there. We've reached a saturation point in software, and that is just the truth. And about the availability, I have no clue when it will come to India and Indian smartphones. We will just have to keep our fingers crossed that it will come soon enough. So anyway, that was MIUI 13 on the Mi 11X. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.